Hello viewers, very happy to see you again. In this video, we are going to learn what replaces Zoom, and it is most important for us to learn because of the accusation against Zoom, and you may know that a lot of hackers have hacked the user's account. So it is mandate for us to learn what are the other websites that offers wonderful platform for webinar as well as for online classes. So let us learn in this video. Hope this would benefit you a lot. The first website is Google Meet. So now Google has introduced that Hangout Meet. I think probably we had the earlier, and we had a G Plus. Along with that, we had Google Hangout. Even then, they are retaining the same. And in this website, there are a lot of participants could participate, and you could have online classes through Google Classroom, and you could invite your students, and you could invite your participants to participate in the meet or the class that you are conducting. And the the con, as we see, the con is your administrator. Okay, the Google Classroom, your employer should activate Google Meet. After that, only you could organize classes, or you could have online meeting, and you could invite people. If it is not so, it is highly difficult for you to have Google Meet, or you cannot have online classes like other websites. That is what the drawback of Google Meet. And you could have a number of participants, and you will have a lot of control over your audience, and it offers a lot of facilities like whiteboard and screencasting, screen sharing, and inviting people. Okay, email notification, everything is being activated by Google. So it is a wonderful platform. If you could use, it would have a very big impact on audience as well as on the speaker. The second one is a live webinar. This website comes for hosting a webinar. It offers a wonderful platform, and it offers screencasting. You could have live streaming through YouTube, Facebook, and Vimeo. It is mandated that you are expected to download the software. Okay, so after that only you could have a webinar, so you could invite people, and the audience need to download the webinar. That is the software, and through this live webinar you could have polls, and then you could conduct survey, and you could have chats, and likewise you could have, and it comes in two different categories, that is for pro as well as for business, and they are giving only a short-term free trial, and in that free trial you could have only 5 attendees, and that is even you could have only 2 hours of recording is possible with this if you download or if you activate your a webinar for free of cost. And there are two more options they have given. One is pro and another one is business. So if you wish, this is a wonderful platform because you have options to have a maximum number of 250 participants, and based on that plan you could choose the number of participants, and you have screen recording, screen sharing, and whiteboard. All those you will get benefited, and I think this would be a wonderful platform for those who are organizing meeting or those who are handling classes online. The third one is EasyTalks. So this is another website that offers a wonderful platform for people, and as like other earlier, we have seen that live webinar, you have the same, you can make use of the free trial, and you have 3 more plans as like standard, pro, and business. And during the free trial you can you can have 100 participants for free of cost, and a maximum of 40 minutes for group meeting. It allows you to conduct 40 minutes during your free trial version, and you will find a whiteboard for teaching, and you will have emojis. That is an additional add-on, and you could record for unlimited time, and if you go for standard pro or business plans, and you have screen sharing, screencasting, and you could upload all those videos in the social media. So you have better options if you use EasyTalk. The next one is Cisco Webex, another fantastic platform for a webinar, or if you have any idea of handling online classes. And it is mandated that you are supposed to download the software before inviting people, so you can create your own private chat rooms, and you could have private conference, and that allows you to invite people, and maximum number, there is no limitation, so you could invite as many as possible. And here there is a limitation. If you take up the free trial, you can invite only 100 peoples, okay, 100 participants. And in Cisco you will be finding a web whiteboard, and you could conduct classes, and you can have video conferencing, webinars, cloud calling is available even, and you could download the mobile app. Through mobile app you can have conference calls, all those things, and it's a wonderful platform for online teaching. So again, we have plans and pricing. You have other plans. So moreover, you have free trial for a limited period of time, and you have a personal plan, and then business plans. Accordingly, the number of participants will vary, and so if you want more number of people to participate, you have to opt a better plan, I believe. So this is a wonderful website that offers you a wonderful platform to conduct online classes as well as a webinar, live webinar. The next website that offers a fantastic webinar platform is GlobalMeet. And this GlobalMeet is restricted. This is available for very few countries, and you can have maximum of 125 participants during your free trial. Again, we have different plans. You have free, that is basic plan. This is without any trial period. You could adapt the basic free plan, and which restricts up to 125 participants. You have standard, premium, and enterprises plans available, and if you want more number of people to participate, you have to opt, or you have to purchase some plans accordingly to your requirement. And in this GlobalMeet, it is not mandated to download any software. Through online you could have webinar, you could have online classes, and the most specialty is they have a mobile app as like Cisco. You will find mobile apps. Through mobile app you could have video calling, video recording online, so audio calling is available, and you have screen sharing option, and then you have whiteboard option, so that you can have you could conduct fantastic online classes through GlobalMeet. The next one is JoinMe, another fantastic platform that offers a free webinar. And again, as like other webinar sites, you can enjoy the trial version for a very short period of time. And the drawback and with this website is, it allows only 5 participants per meeting during your free trial. And again, you have 3 plans, Elite, Pro, and Business. So accordingly it differs. If the number varies, if you have maximum requirement, accordingly you have to purchase the plan. And what is something special about here in this JoinMe, you can have your own personalized URL, and you could customize your background, and screen sharing is available. You could host a webinar, and you could join webinar, and there is no software required. Through online you could do everything. And you can have a mobile app, as like previous websites. In this website also they are offering a mobile app is available, and you could download mobile apps, and you could enjoy conference calling and then audio calling. Everything is possible with the mobile app. So you have to adapt. Again, the drawback is you have to adapt a fantastic plan so that you could invite a maximum number of participants to join your webinar classes. And the next one is Webinar Ninja, another fantastic website that offers webinar. And here the positive with this site is there is no limitations. You could invite as many people as possible. So unlimited participants. That is what the fantastic positive with Webinar Ninja. There is no restrictions and all. And you have again you have different plans, and you have very limited period if you opt free trial. So hardly 14 days you could enjoy Webinar Ninja, and the live streaming is available. That is something special about this website. And the screencasting, you could conduct poll and you could get responses from audience immediately. A lot more features are available, and when compared with other previous websites, this website is pretty good. And the positive is you could enjoy unlimited participants. That is what the wonderful good sign with this Webinar Ninja. The next one is Blue Jeans. This website offers, as like other websites, it offers three plans, and you have very limited, hardly 7 days free trial you will enjoy, and you could invite only 25 participants during your trial period. And online classes you could conduct, you could have webinar, and you could have cloud calling, cloud recording, and storage is also available with this website. And plans accordingly, you have standard, pro, and business. So if you want a maximum number of people according to your requirement, you have to choose a plan. I think this is okay, but that this website is not that good as other websites which we have seen so far. And the next one is GoToMeeting. And this website offers another, the same developer is offering GoToWebinar, GoToMeeting. Two websites are available. So if you happen to visit GoToMeeting, here the maximum number of participants is very limited, and you have free trial version. And like you have plans to choose if you expect a maximum number of participants to participate. And as like other websites, you have whiteboard, screen recording, screencasting, live streaming, everything is possible. The problem is this pricing is too high when compared with the other websites. And then go to webinar, that is another website by the same developer. And in that also you could enjoy a lot of facilities, that is especially for the teachers, those who are hosting webinar. And number of webinars are restricted as like other websites. And I think pretty good, but not as we expect. The last one is Skype. It is not possible to conduct any online classes. You don't find a whiteboard or screen sharing or screencasting is not possible. Even then, no, you have to download a software. You could call and you could have visual calling, that is video calling. HD video calling is available, and through that is maximum number of people can join, and they could watch what you do. And the problem is they have to download Skype software, so that only they could join. Even then, that number 1 and number 10 is good, I believe, because there is no pricing, there is no problem. You could invite people and you could have a fantastic conversation. And in Google Meet you will be teaching is possible, because you will be having Google Class. In Google Class you will be activating Google Meet. Here in Skype you will be just talking to people, and you can clarify their doubts. No, face-to-face communication is possible. And other websites are offering maximum number of facilities, and you could adapt that, you could enjoy during your free trial. But if you want to own the websites, if you want to download that software and if you want to enjoy for the long period, you need to pay. So you have to invest a lot to attract people. So during this lockdown, if you are expecting something good, okay, so you could download any one or you could visit any one website, and you can opt for free trial period of 17-14, as like you have maximum number of days. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.